Yeah, so we're cruising on the bike and saw a sign down to a beach. The beach is called, I'll write the name here, we'll drop a link for this place as well. So it was about 8 kilometers away from where we were supposed to be going. But we thought, oh, well, you know, we've got a bit of time, we'll go and have a look at the beach. So this is the beach right now. It's pretty good. They've got the sand, it's got a river running here, makes the water just here look a bit dirty. I think if we go back down, well, there's an island just close by as well down there. We'll go back down that way and have a look as well on the way out. But yeah, it's not too bad. The place here is called BALIBAR. BALIBAR. Well, we like the name already because, as you all know, we love Bali. And Charlie's just gone in to see how much a beer might be. It's hot. We could do with a cool down. And yeah, this was just we had the bike, we were riding along, we decided to just turn off and see where the road took us, see what the beach was like. It's pretty good. All right, Charlie went and sussed it out. Yep, we are going to have a refreshment beverage at the BALIBAR. Welcome. It's a lovely little place. This is a lovely place. Hello. Sawadee. And as you can see, Charlie's found us the best seat in the house. Have a look at that.
There's a breeze, darling. Cheers to us. Cheers to everybody watching the video. Cheers to Thailand.
Cheers to Thailand. This time we'll finish the video here. Great spot for us to chill out, relax, end the video.
Have a nice cold beer.
Have a nice cold refreshment.
Yes.
Alright, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye bye.